All right, this is a method that I like to use to begin speaking a language instantly. It's especially good for beginners to begin having conversation right away. Today I have Brazilian Portuguese on the screen because I've been getting more and more requests about Brazilian Portuguese, and it is a language that I've been speaking for a while, and I do teach this language. If you like the mix and if you like the format that you see here, I have a complete book on it. You can download it completely for free on my website, and the link is in the description. So what you have here is something like a keyboard or a sampler. It's a control panel, and it's building blocks. So all you have to do is mix and match building blocks. So start with English for a second, right? And imagine how this would potentially work in Portuguese or Spanish or French. I want to learn Portuguese. I want to practice. Do you want to learn Portuguese? Do you want to practice? I want to speak Portuguese, and so on, right? Why do you want to learn? Why do you want to practice? Why do you want to speak? Well, because I need to do what? I need to learn. I need to learn Portuguese because I'm going to travel to Brazil. Imagine you could say all of that. A lot of people say, man, I've been studying Spanish or Portuguese or French or Italian for 5 years, never learned to put a sentence together. This could be your very first day. In fact, I hope this is your first day at Brazilian Portuguese, and I just want you to follow along with me. So I want is quero, all right? Quero. Just say it the way you hear it. Don't say it the way you want to read it. Don't say quero or anything. It's quero, all right? Quero means I want. What do you want to do? Quero aprender. Just kind of leave it open at the end, aprender. Quero aprender português. All right? So if you want to learn Portuguese, please say quero aprender português. Okay? Now you could pause the video. I can pull this away. I can quiz you. I can say, can you say that back to me? You can say quero aprender português. All right? So you want to learn Portuguese, or do you want? Is você quer aprender português? Question, right? Você quer aprender português? Você quer aprender português? And then you say sim. Quero aprender português. All right? I need to practice, or I want to practice. Quero praticar. Notice that, praticar, like a CH sound. Quero praticar. Okay? Você quer praticar? Por quê? Why? Por que você quer praticar? Por que você quer aprender português? Right? Well, I want to speak. Quero falar. Quero falar. Quero falar português. Quero falar português. Ok, você quer falar português? Por que você quer falar português? Quero falar português porque vou viajar. Right? Vou viajar pro Brasil. Notice this column has all of your infinitive verbs. So you just take your pick. Vou viajar pro Brasil. I want to travel to Brazil would be quero viajar pro Brasil. Why do you want to travel to Brazil? So it's too many possibilities. You'd be better off taking out a notebook now and just writing out a short paragraph, just using what you have on the screen. I like to think sometimes as the matrix. This is a matrix. This is a language matrix, right? I like to think of the matrix as like an artist's palette. This is your colors, your basic colors from the palette. You dip the paintbrush and you go up to the canvas and you go, okay, here's what I'm going to say. All right? So, quero aprender português. Por quê? Por que você quer aprender português? Quero aprender português porque vou viajar para o Brasil. All right? Why do you want to travel to Brazil? Por que você quer viajar para o Brasil? Just for fun, say, I want to travel to Brazil because I want to learn Portuguese. Full circle, right? So, quero viajar para o Brasil porque quero aprender português. It is that easy. I am telling you, it is that easy to build a lot of conversation in 2 minutes in any language by mixing and matching building blocks. That's the meaning of the matrix. Again, if you like it, I've got a complete ebook that you can have completely for free. You don't even have to sign up with an email. That's on my website, and the link is in the description. So thanks for watching.